Alright, here we have the Movotor headlights for a 1998 Silverado. Since it's a plug-and-play, you just have to connect it to the headlamp socket. I replaced it from one from AutoZone. It's going to be this part right here. It's kind of hard to get in there, so I used some pliers to turn it around. Kind of damaged it a bit. Some of the parts you're going to need are these headlight bezels. I found mine on Amazon. It's these Reska for those mountain screws. I'm using socket cap screws from Home Depot from the specialty section. And some number 8 flat washers, stainless steel. And the bit you're going to use for these screws, H4 on a drill. I got the Hyper Tough. And then all you got to do is just place them first, the bezels, and then put your screws, and then you screw it in there. And that's it. Okay, so here we have the final installation. Since they're not Phillips head, they can't just come and unscrew them. They have to have that specialty bit. They look pretty nice with the stainless steel.